Cooking is essential in our day-to-day life, especially if you're one of those who are always hungry. It would be amazing to prepare all kinds of dishes and use as many ingredients as possible. However, sometimes we have setbacks when trying some recipes. Today, we'll save you a few years of cooking mistakes. Pay close attention. Today, you'll learn unbelievable cooking hacks. Your life will be simpler, and you'll finally be a master of the kitchen.
Make sure you subscribe to Did You Know and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload from us. Also, take a moment to leave us a like. Let's get started.
How to separate the white from the yolk fast. In many recipes, we have to separate the egg white from the yolk. If we don't know how to do it, it all gets complicated. Don't worry, today we'll bring you a secret so you can do it very easily. We'll only need a plastic bottle and 2 dishes. The first thing you should do is break the egg on one of the plates. Then you'll take the bottle and squeeze it as if it were a dropper. Remember to place it on the yolk so it absorbs it. Once you manage this, you'll only have to place the yolk on the other plate. And that's all. We've separated the white from the yolk. Simple, right? How should we peel a banana? When we eat a banana, we usually peel it from the end, that is, the area where the fruit is held by the tree. But there's a simpler way to peel the banana. Monkeys do it that way. If we bend the lower tip of the banana, it'll be easier to peel. Now you know how King Kong eats it, or the way Diddy Kong throws bananas at his enemies in races. This will definitely be a very useful trick. How to peel a hard-boiled egg. Does it happen to you that every time you're peeling an egg it breaks? Do they crack and then you find it impossible to remove the rest of the shell? Well, we'll teach you a trick that is really worth putting into practice. First, you must grab the egg and give it a little bump on the edges, and then remove the shell on those edges. Finally, you blow, and the egg comes out easily and without breaking. Try it. How to get the lemon juice. The next case is a very common scenario for all of us. We've been there at least once in our life. We stumbled upon a gigantic lemon. It seems to be very juicy in its insides, but when we cut into it, we can't extract all the juice we want. If you don't want it to happen again, you have to apply the following trick. Squeeze the lemon a bit and then drill it with a toothpick. You just need to squeeze it a bit. This way, the juice will all come out through the little hole you made. How to slice a cake without knives. Have you ever wondered how the bakeries slice the cakes in perfect portions? We're amazed by how equitable these portions are. It almost seems impossible. The trick to do this is really simple. You're only going to need dental floss. You'll tie it to your 2 index fingers, and you'll only have to place it on the areas you want to cut, just as you would if it were a knife. You can cut into 4 lines in the form of an asterisk and even on the side of the cake. Your portions will be perfect. How to make garlic paste and avoid its odors. You must admit how annoying it is preparing garlic paste every time we want to season the food, especially because of the smell it leaves on our hands. Our advice is, put all garlic cloves with salt in an airtight bag. This will be enough to prevent our hands from having contact with it. Then start smashing the ingredients with a rolling pin. Do it until you have the desired texture. Amazing, right?